Private land camping is an online booking platform that helps landowners manage their campground. Whether you have one campsite or 100, our software will take the hassles out of booking so you can focus on more important things. This video will walk you through setting up your campground. Go to privatelandcamping.com, go to Sign Up, click Landowner, fill out this form. I've set up a dummy site so I can show you all the features without having to enter any information. When you log in, you'll go into your dashboard and go to Add Listing. Now this looks exactly like when you edit a listing, so we're going to go ahead and hit the Edit button right here. Under Basics, you'll enter your campsite or cabin name. Under Description, describe your campsite and list anything that would make someone want to stay with you. Rules, type in your campsite or cabin location here. It will drop this red pin. If the pin is not exactly where it needs to be, you can drag it to the proper location. Scroll up to the top, hit Save and Next. Under Amenities, the amenities are all drop-down menus. Just go through and click the ones that are appropriate for your site. Scroll back up, Save and Next. Under Photos, I've added 3 photos. For example, you can change the cover photo and the order that they appear. Scroll back to the top. Always hit Save and Next. Under Pricing, list your daily price here. And weekly and monthly pricing is optional. Check-in time, check-out time, both drop-down menus. Save and Next. On Calendar, it will show any bookings that you have. If you're a landowner and setting up a campsite that already has bookings, you can click on the calendar, click on the first day of the booking, and click on the last day of the booking, and make those unavailable. Hit Submit. This eliminates the possibility of double booking. If you want to change pricing on peak season, click the first day of the peak season and click the last day of your peak season, whatever that might be, and change the price and submit. This changes the price during that whole range. You can do this multiple times. We'll go back to Dashboard. After you've completed listing a campsite, when you add another listing, the details from the previous site will be added into the new listing, saving you time. So we'll go in and add another listing. Continue. Okay, we're going to say this is Donald Duck Pond number 5. Has the description, the rules. You may have campsites at different locations, so add the location, save and next. The amenities will all be imported from the previous campsite, save and next. The photos will all be imported from the previous campsite. If you need to make adjustments, you can make them now or come back and edit later, save and next. The pricing will be imported from the previous campsite, save and next. And of course, this calendar will be blank, so if there's any bookings that you need to black out, you need to do this now and save. Once saved, it will show you your latest campsite. Go back to Dashboard. Over here on the left, under the Bookings tab, this will be where any bookings will be that you have. Under Listings, it shows all your campsites. It automatically lists your campsite when you sign it up. If you're not ready to go live, then click Unlisted. When you get everything set up and ready to go live, click Listed and the campsite can be seen on the website. Transactions, they'll all show up right here. Reviews will be here when you have some. Under Profile, you got your name, email address, phone number, and down at the bottom, this is your personal private land camping website address. If you have a website already, you can simply put a Book Now button on your website and link it to this address, or you can use this as a standalone website. When we click on this, this takes you to your personal website. Your campers, they will be able to put in a check-in and a check-out date and search. This searches all of your campsites, and it will only show them the sites that are available on these dates, saving them a lot of frustration trying to find a campsite. Okay, we'll go back to dashboard. Under advertising, we have several pre-made social media ads and signs. When you hit the generate button, it will put your campground name here, your website address here, and save it into your downloads folder. You can send this to the printer of your choice. Having a sign up at your campground not only lets the campers know that they've found the right location, but it also lets everyone in the area know that you're open for business. As you can see, it's very quick and easy to set up online booking with private land camping software. So make it easy on yourself and your campers. Set up online booking today.